Today we will be doing the online project streaming of residential township Piramal Vaikunth by Piramal Realty in Balcombe, Thane. So let's start. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Looking to buy a home, but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now. In this, we will be covering below points like project overview, master plan analysis, pros and cons and various others. So let's start. First one is project overview. Piramal Vaikunth is constructed on 32 acres of land parcel consisting of 13 residential towers of 40 floors that are being developed phase-wise in 5 clusters having 1, 2, 2.5, 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. Now coming to the location part. Piramal Vaikunth is located in Balcombe Naka of Mumbai-Nasik highway with Thane station at a distance of 5.2 kilometers. Viviana Mall 3 kilometers. Also, there are 2 metro connectivities. First one is metro line number 4, that is Badala to Gaimukh, and the nearest metro station is Kaparbaudi Circle, which is 1.5 kilometers away. Another one is metro line number 5, which will connect Thane to Bhiwandi to Kalyan, and the nearest metro station is just outside the project, that is 100 meters away, which is named as Balcombe Metro Station. Also, you can get the complete verified project details, actual location tours with complete cost sheet where you can choose the area, floors and can get the accurate complete cost sheet with price breakup. Simply click on the link mentioned in the description or visit our website housey.com. Now coming to the amenities part. First one is internal amenities. All flats will be provided with AC in living and master bedroom along with branded sanitary fittings and fixtures. Now the external amenities. As told that project is developed cluster wise, so here we have 2 types of amenities. Township level, that is, these are the common amenities accessible by residents of each clusters. Cluster specific, these are the cluster specific amenities to be used by residents of that cluster. So first, let's see the township level common amenities. Project has 60,000 square feet of amenity spaces with number 1, massive clubhouse having multi-purpose courts, banquet hall, swimming pool, kids pool, doctor's room, ATM, yoga and meditation terrace. Number 2, mini cricket ground with tree plaza and amphitheatre. Number 3, experiential courtyards. Project has around 1.5 kilometers of jogging as well as cycling track. There are around 3,000 plus natural trees that will be retained inside the township. Also, the project has 2.75 acres of ISKCON temple within the premises that can be accessed by both the residents and the outsiders. Now the cluster level amenities. Clusters will have specific amenities like kids play area, swimming pool, indoor games, gymnasium and various others. Coming to the parking part, project has podium as well as basement level car parking facility. Now let's do the master plan analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of 32 acres. There are altogether 5 clusters consisting of total 13 towers that will be developed phase-wise. This is where commercial will be coming up. This is 2.75 acres of ISKCON temple. Here, this is the cluster 1 consisting of total 3 towers, that is Vyom, Vatsal and Vivan. Also you can see Vittal, Vinayak and Vedanta. These are the row houses. Cluster 1 is the most premium cluster having 2, 2.5, 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. Tower Vivan has 3 flats per floor with all 2 BHKs having carpet area ranges from 1014 to 1098 square feet. Tower Vatsal has 4 flats per floor with all 2 BHKs having carpet area of 1006 square feet. Vyom has 2.5 and 3 BHKs with 2.5 BHK of 1140 square feet and 3 BHKs of 1366 square feet. And the row houses have area ranges from 2000 to 2500 square feet. This is cluster 2. It consists of 2 towers, Vijit and Virat, having 2 and 3 BHK residences. Vijit has all 2 BHKs of 700 to 708 square feet. Virat has 2 BHKs of 708 square feet and 3 BHKs of 948 square feet. This is cluster 4A and 4 having 4 towers, Braj, Vidit, Vama and Vyan. This cluster has 2 BHK small, 2 BHK large and 3 BHKs. With 2 BHKs, area ranges from 568 to 888 square feet and 3 BHK area ranges from 1225 to 1240 square feet. Now, this is the recently launched cluster 3 having 2 towers, Vidya and Bind. These are A-class homes. Piramal Realty entered into affordable segment with efficiently designed A-class homes. Tower Wind has 1, 1.5 and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK having 318 and 371 square feet, 1.5 BHK having 451 square feet and 2 BHK having 501 and 518 square feet. Now coming to the floor plan analysis. This is the floor plan with each floor having 16 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. Here, these 5 flats are 1 BHKs of 318 square feet. These 4 flats are 1 BHKs of 371 square feet. These 2 flats are 1.5 BHK of 451 square feet. These 5 flats are 2 BHKs of 501 and 518 square feet. Now let's have a look at the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 1 BHK, that is 318 square feet. This is the unit plan of 1 BHK, that is 371 square feet. This is the unit plan of 1.5 BHK, that is 451 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, that is 501 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 2 BHK, which is 518 square feet. Now coming to the maintenance part. Talking about cluster 3, A-class homes. 1 BHK will have maintenance in the range of rupees 1800 to rupees 2500 per month. 1.5 BHKs around rupees 3000 per month. 2 BHKs from rupees 3000 to rupees 4000 per month. Now coming to the payment scheme. One can take a maximum loan up to 95% of the flat cost and needs to do the down payment of minimum 5%. However, builder comes with various payment schemes from time to time like no EMI till possession and various others. Also, we have a good news for all the home buyers, especially the NRIs. We get a lot of queries from our viewers related to the home buying process, reviews and feedback. So, we created a Facebook group which is called Home Buying Simplified. In this, we have onboarded real estate, home loan and legal experts to answer all your queries. Here, you can also get peer and expert reviews about specific locations or projects. The purpose of this group is not to sell you anything. It's just to create a community of home buyers who can help each other by sharing their views and experiences. So, do join this group through the link mentioned in the description. Coming to the possession part. Cluster 1 will have a target possession of December 2020. Cluster 2 will have a target possession of December 2022. Cluster 4 and 4A will have a target possession of June 2022. And Cluster 3, that is A-class homes, will have a target possession of December 2024. Now the most interesting part, that is pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Number 1, amenities. Project has ultra luxurious amenities both on township and cluster level with more than 60% open spaces and 3000 plus trees. Number 2, collaborators. Project is being developed in collaboration with renowned partners like Vertical Transport Strategy Partner Lurch Bates, who has done the list strategy of Burj Khalifa, Dubai, Freedom Tower, USA. Structural Consultants Bureau Happold, which has done Olympic Stadium, London, Beijing New Airport, and likewise other partners. Number 3. Builder Profile. Project is by Piramal Realty, which is a part of Piramal Group, a $10 billion company. So you can be rest assured about the excellent quality of construction with timely possession. Now talking about the cons. Density of flats per floor. If we talk about A-class homes, then each floor has 16 flats per floor, which is a little high than normal. Now the builder profile. Established in 2012, Piramal Realty is a subsidiary of Piramal Group, which is a global business conglomerate with business interest in pharma, information management, financial services, etc. Piramal Realty so far till 2020 has delivered one commercial project, that is Agastya Corporate Park in Kurla. Some of their ongoing projects are Piramal Mahalakshmi in South Mumbai, Piramal Revanta in Mulund West, and Piramal Aranya in Baikala. So everyone, this is the online project streaming of residential project Piramal Vaikunth by Piramal Realty. If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, floor plans, or want to do a site visit, you can call or WhatsApp us at 9623 999 211. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same number. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such online project streaming videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.